नॉर्मल कपड़ों में आप अंदर एंट्री ले सकती हैं, वरना एंट्री नहीं है।
2 Muslim women were denied entry into Ismail National Women's PG College in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, for wearing the burqa. The women, Aisha and Munira, said they were invited to participate in a Diwali exhibition at the college, but were stopped at the gate and told to remove their burqas before entering. They refused, calling the rule discriminatory and a violation of personal freedom. According to them, their parents tried to intervene, but the college administration did not listen. The women eventually left, packing up their exhibition stall. The college denied any religious bias, saying the burqa restriction was part of its internal security policy. Chief Proctor Deepthi Kaushik stated that the women were not registered students and that the same rule applies to everyone, regardless of religion. The incident comes amid a growing debate over hijab and burqa bans in educational institutions, following similar controversies in states like Kerala. Critics say such restrictions reflect increasing intolerance toward Muslim identity in public spaces.